Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Luna to USDT update for Wednesday 22 of June. Alright, so yesterday on the signals we were trading this coin and we actually made a little bit of a nice win up here to the 2.2. Took our profits as well, and as ended up making a successful trade. Now I was expecting this one to go to 2.64. The reason is simple. You do have an ascending triangle, right? But the ascending triangle, you see guys, has failed. Okay, it has failed, and 2-3 days ago I actually made a Luna update telling you this ascending triangle, you have to be careful. If you're not breaking it to the upside and you break it to the downside instead, then you're looking for this one to come down all the way to the $1.7183. Yes, so that's the technical target. Actually, it's a technical target because where you form the triangle is where you're actually supposed to drop, and this is going to be your target. Okay, now there is still a pending target, and that's going to be the reversal wave that I talked about previously. It seems like this was a support, break to the downside, went for the retest, got rejected, and now you might continue to make that reversal wave. So this reversal wave technical target was never met, and the intention could be that you actually go to that price target, which I'm going to tell you right here right now, and that's going to be down here at the 1.35 ish. That's the level that was pending. What you did, look, you went to the 1.272. You might be looking to actually come down here, take it out, take the stop loss again, and go to the 1.5 and all the way down to the 1.35. Now that would be an amazing entry again at the 1.35 here. You could, I would, expect a little bit of a bounce at the 1.35, maybe go to the 1.5244 again, and the 1.6 as well maybe, and then continue to go to the downside. And that's it for this very quick update. If somehow guys to remain again bullish, if you ever see this one still coming up here to the 2.26 and holding this level, then the view to the downside is going to get cancelled if miracle happen, because sometimes they do happen. You can see pumps all of a sudden, but it should be a very reliable pump. Now to make it reliable, you must hold the retest. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.